you familiar with the L-16 Evo from the cartoon light family? Our plasterboard panel with an integrated aluminum profile for LED strips, all contained within the thickness of the panel? Now imagine what it would be like if, in addition to the LED strip, you could also add modules with micro-optics or adjustable spotlights, and maybe even mount them simply by snapping them in place and connecting them to each other with a quick connection, no complicated or tedious wiring required. All of this is now possible. L-16 system. Let's see how it's installed. Lay out the composition on the plasterboard and install the L-16 system panels, planning for one or more power supply points. Keep in mind that you need one for each switch on and every time you exceed 96 watts. If the line starts with a track module or micro-optics, use the power head to supply power to the first LED module. The next element is a track module that can be cut to size for adjustable spotlights, and with the linear connector, you connect it to the previous module. You can cover any exposed track with the dedicated cover, which can also be cut to size. With the corner connector, you can provide electrical continuity to two modules positioned at 90 degrees. Alternatively, if you want to connect an LED strip to a module, you should utilize the specifically designed dedicated connector. Finally, to finish the composition, insert the end cap. L-16 system is a flexible and innovative system, ideal for creating recessed and customized lines by alternating light cuts, spotlights, and micro-optics, with all the advantages of the cartoon light line.